Hey, Patrick. How's your morning going?
Pretty good, actually. A little slow, but good. I got my coffee, so that helps.
Coffee always helps. I had a big cup this morning. I think it woke me up too fast.
Too fast? Is that possible?
Oh, yeah. I took a big sip and suddenly, boom, I was wide awake. My eyes were like this.
Okay, yeah, that happens. Coffee can hit like a train sometimes.
So, what were you doing before we started recording?
I was actually thinking about something funny. Or, well, funny now, not funny when it happened.
Oh, tell me.
I was thinking about the lost wallet story.
That sounds interesting already. You lost your wallet?
Oh, yeah, badly. Like, very badly.
Okay, wait. Before you tell the whole story, let's introduce ourselves quickly for people listening today. Hi, everyone. I'm Shirley. I'm from Seattle in the USA, and I love slow, simple English stories. So I'm happy you're here with us.
And I'm Patrick. I'm from Chicago. I love telling stories, even embarrassing ones. And today, we have a good one.
Yes, today's topic is an easy English story called The Lost Wallet.
And trust me, this is a true story.
Oh, wow. Okay. But before we jump in, let me say something about this episode. Okay, so tell me, Patrick, how did you lose your wallet?
Okay, I remember the day very clearly, too clearly. It was a Saturday morning.
Saturday mornings are always dangerous.
Yes, because you're relaxed, maybe too relaxed. I woke up at like 10 a.m. feeling good.
Nice.
I wanted to get breakfast. I didn't have food at home, so I went to a small cafe near my apartment.
Sounds harmless so far.
I thought so too. So I grabbed my jacket, my phone, my keys, and my wallet.
Good. Very important.
Very important. And I thought everything was fine. I walked to the cafe. It was a sunny day, warm, quiet, very peaceful.
Perfect morning.
Yes, too perfect. I ordered a sandwich and a coffee. I paid. I sat down near the window.
Sounds lovely.
It was. I was just relaxing, eating, drinking my coffee. I even listened to music. Everything was great.
Mm-hmm.
And after I finished, I stood up, put on my jacket, and walked home. Very normal, very calm.
Okay.
I got home, took off my jacket, sat on the couch, and then I wanted to order something online.
Oh no. I can feel it. I can feel the moment coming.
Yeah, I reached for my wallet. I checked the table. I checked my pockets.
Oh boy.
And suddenly my heart said, "Hey man, something is wrong."
I know that feeling.
I checked again. Back pocket, nothing. Jacket pocket, nothing. Bag, nothing.
Oh no.
And that's when I said out loud, "Where is my wallet?" Paused dramatically.
Oh no.
I ran around my apartment like a crazy person. I checked every place under the couch, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, behind the TV. I even checked the refrigerator.
The refrigerator.
I was panicking, okay? I wasn't thinking clearly. My brain was fried.
I love that you checked the fridge.
The panic grows.
So, when did you realize, like really realize, it was gone?
After I searched my whole apartment twice. And then I remembered I used it in the cafe. I paid there. I sat down. I put it on the table.
Oh no.
Yes. And when I stood up, I did not pick it up.
Oh no.
So I ran. I didn't walk. I ran to the cafe. It felt like a movie scene, like dramatic music playing, wind blowing.
Slow motion running?
Yes, in my mind. But in real life, it probably looked very stupid.
I love it already. At the cafe.
I opened the cafe door like a superhero. The bell on the door went ding super loudly. Everyone looked at me.
Oh, wow.
And the barista, her name was Mia, she turned around and said, are you okay?
Oh my gosh.
And I just said very loudly, did anyone find a wallet?
Oh my goodness, Patrick.
Everyone in the cafe stared at me. They were eating their sandwiches like, dude, calm down.
I can see it in my head.
The barista said, what does it look like? And I said, it's brown, it's old, and it has my whole life inside.
Very true.
And then she said the greatest words in history.
Oh?
She said, yes, we found it.
Yes. Cheers. Victory.
I felt like angels were singing. I almost cried.
I would cry too.
She walked to the back counter, she lifted a little basket, and there it was, my beautiful, old, brown wallet.
Wow.
She said, a customer found it on the table after you left. And I said, that customer is my hero. Please tell them I love them.
Patrick.
I meant it. I really meant it. The relief.
So everything was inside, nothing missing?
Everything was there. All the cards, my ID, even the $3 I had.
Aww.
I thanked the barista like 8 times. And on my way out, I promised myself to never lose my wallet again.
Did you keep that promise? Patrick.
I lost it again 2 months later.
No.
I know. I'm terrible. But that time it was in my car.
Okay, that's better.
Much better.
Shirley's wallet story.
What about you? Have you ever lost your wallet?
Yes, once, and it was terrible.
Tell me.
Okay, so this was a long time ago, maybe 10 years ago. I was in a supermarket.
Classic.
I was buying groceries, just normal things. Vegetables, milk, snacks, nothing interesting.
Snacks are always interesting.
True. So I was checking out. I put my wallet on that little counter near the credit card machine.
Yep.
I paid. I took my bags, and then I walked out.
Without the wallet.
Yes. Completely forgot it. Zero brain power that day.
Happens to the best of us.
So I got home, and I wanted to buy something online too. And surprise, no wallet.
A classic moment.
So I called the supermarket, and the manager said, let me check. And I waited for like 5 long minutes.
Oh, no.
And then he said, yes, we have it.
Yes.
And I said, I am coming right now. Please do not move.
Do not move. I love it.
I drove back super fast, walked inside, and there it was on the counter, waiting for me like a lonely little puppy.
That's cute.
You know, losing a wallet feels like losing your whole life.
Yes. Your money, your cards, your ID, everything.
And also your peace of mind.
Exactly. The panic is so real.
But it also teaches something.
Yeah, a simple lesson.
Always check before you leave a place.
Always.
Wallet, phone, keys.
The big 3.
Yes, if you have those 3 things, life is okay.
And if you forget something, usually someone kind will help you.
Yes, that part is true. People are kinder than we think.
So that's our takeaway for today. Check your things and trust that the world still has good people.
And keep your wallet away from the refrigerator.
Yes, very important advice.
Ending.
Thank you all for listening to today's Easy English story.
We hope you enjoyed The Lost Wallet.
And we hope you understood everything. We tried to speak slowly and clearly.
And naturally, like 2 friends talking.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.